Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is another Open With Me, and this is for the latest Simply Crochet magazine, as you can see. So while I'm getting into this package, if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when the new videos just pop up. Okay, so I'm just checking that that is completely empty. So we've got a few extras. We've got a magazine about exotic birds to crochet, and an advert for Simply Crochet and what you can get if you subscribe. And oh cool, little stitch markers. Look at that. Do love a stitch marker. Now, most of the stitch markers that I get in magazines and the crochet hooks and stuff, I put in my orders that I have for my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk. There's a link in the description box to my shop, and there's a promotion, is a free ergonomic crochet hook at the moment with the code. So I normally pop these bits and bobs, as well as ones I make myself, in those parcels, unless it's something like Bag Puss and I really want to keep it. Other than that, I usually just give them away. Okay, so this is the magazine. We have an Easter bunny, and we've got this kind of scarf at the front with these short sort of, what do you say, geometric shapes. I like this little dinosaur cardigan. We've got lace motif jumper, cute egg cozies, Irish blanket, mosaic cushion and more. Music. So we've got a piano keyboard scarf. We also have lessons in chemistry, 6 science-inspired makes. Well, that's unusual. Okay, so just for your information, I do have on my channel some Easter egg, well, actually just egg cozies, not necessarily Easter egg, although you can use them for the small cream eggs and stuff like that. I'll try and remember to put a link at the end of the video. So that's obviously part of the supplement. So this is a waistcoat, actually. I thought it was a scarf, but it isn't. It's a waistcoat. Ooh, that's different. Okay, we've got a very snazzy cushion. These are the egg cozies. Now mine have got little chicks on. They're very similar, but they have chicks. Okay, so we've got, that looks like a dartboard. I don't think it's meant to, but it does. And some couple of blankets and a cushion. This is a lacy polar neck sweater. That's different. Not really keen on the sleeves being baggy, but could always work on that. We've got a little game and a hexagon blanket. It's called the Giant's Causeway blanket. A bit odd, but never mind. Okay, let's get a look, see, shall we? Okay, this is obviously not in the magazine, and that's an advert. This is The Good Life. So, simple and muted yet full of satisfying texture, the 12 homewares, clothes and accessories in Rico Design's new book, Boho Crochet, are just what you need to find handmade tranquility this spring. The projects are made in tactile fashion, jersey and essential organic cotton. Get the book for $6.99 and find out more. Actually, I'm going to be placing an order with Rico soon, so I'll be stocking that in my shop, as well as the wool or yarn genie, whatever you want to call it, wool genie. I've recently found a love for that product, and so I'll be stocking it in my shop. So let's have a look. 5 Fab Finds. They make food. I don't really get that. Unless I had a child that wanted to play with a kitchen, like one of those toy kitchens, I wouldn't really make food. I guess people can put it on as a decoration or something. Yeah, we'll move on. So this is Lessons in Chemistry. So although it looked like a dartboard, obviously it really isn't. This is Nature is Beautiful even at a molecular level, celebrating the riveting world that exists just out of sight with fun science homewares. So I think this is DNA. So I can identify DNA, but what this is, I have no idea. It doesn't say. So these are called chain reactions. They're kind of what they call coasters. That's the word I'm looking at. And this one, it kind of reminds me of planets more than anything. But nice and bright and cheerful. We've got wall hangers or mobiles. Might be cool to hang above a budding scientist child's bed, bedroom where the study area is, Why did I say her? I don't know. So, I don't know what that is. That is, I'm just looking. It's a periodic table inspired pouch, but it doesn't say what the pouch might be for. Okay, so that's how to do all these bits and bobs. Let's find that pouch, shall we? It's just to put your books in, I guess. They get a bit out of shape, I think. Never mind. Okay, so this is the new Batik Swirl by Stylecraft, and I might get myself some of that just to see what it's like and whether I want to stock it or not. I did put some in my basket for my wholesaler, but you know what happens is you put stuff in your basket, you take stuff out your basket, you put stuff in, this sort of thing goes on. So this is the waistcoat. Now, one of the first things I ever made for crochet was a waistcoat. The first thing I ever made was a bikini, and then we made cover-ups for the beach, and then we made a waistcoat and a shawl, and that was a long time ago with working with my mother. I quite like this one. It's got a nice snazzy pattern. I dare say we've got a chart coming up. Hop, skip and jumper. Emma Brown's Whimsy. The rabbit has a wild imagination and can't wait to be your friend. So it's Whimsy the rabbit, not her whimsy. Whoever said I was a professional? Anyway, that's all the how-to-doy bits. So you can get 14 balls of yarn from Stylecraft when you subscribe. So does it say what it is? No. Looks like Life, actually. Looks like Life DK. Okay, so that's that. And it will cost what? Where are we? Can you see it? Worth over £54. 14 balls, blah, blah, blah. £34.99 every 6 issues. Usually £54.40. So you can decide whether that's worth it, and that's how you do it. This is the game, Easter themed game. So you've got little rabbits and little carrots. And this little board is also a pouch. So that's quite a cool little idea. Now, I quite like this. It's unusual. You normally find anything that's made with squares is usually kind of like a summer short-sleeved vest type thing, but this is more of a pullover. Obviously, it's got holes, so it's more of a springtime, cool evening pullover, I think. I quite like it. It'd have to be a little bit longer and cover this nasty area for me. What sizes have we got? We've got an extra small up to a 2X. So that's not a bad range, I suppose. This is just an editorial, so we'll give that a miss. That's cute. That is very cute. I do like that. It's called Dynamite. Absolutely cute. So this goes from a 0 to 6 months up to an 18 to 24 months. I like that. I do. So this is the hook to hook thing. And this is where they give 2 people the yarn. So we've got Maura O'Reilly and Deborah, is that Diore? And they come up with various egg cozies. They're very similar anyway, aren't they? And there's all the patterns of how to make them. I'll put a link, if I can remember, to mine. So this is the piano keys, which is a novel idea. Natural Wonder. So this is the Giant's Causeway, but I don't get it. So maybe that's a map of the Giant's Causeway. Having never been there, but I really, really want to. It's on my bucket list. I do really want to see it. But that's the blanket. So we've got Simply Knitting Magazine's 250th issue. So hopefully we'll get some nice gifts in that. There's the chart for that blanket. Secret Life of Wool. I like it. Does it? If it's got a mind of its own. I know it has because it jumps into our baskets all the time. So this is talk of the table. Friends and family will be buzzing about this creative party-ready upcycling idea by Paula Green. So I guess you're just adding all these kind of pennants to a tablecloth. Is that right? Looks like it. And this one is a bag. The two-tone design by Andy Vigiano's tapestry colourwork bag. Looks as fresh as a daisy. I only knew it was a bag because I saw the handle there. Otherwise, it just looks a bit square, doesn't it? But that's all the how-to-do bits. Now, this cushion is beautiful. And it does look like Delft pottery. That's really, really nice. Quite intricate. A bit of a concentrate on it. You can't really do that watching the TV, I don't think. So we're looking at yarns. We're looking at Drops Kid Silk. Stylecraft Grace. I've had that one myself. West Yorkshire Spinners Exquisite Lace. James C. Brett, which I do stock, Eden Cottage Yarns, Titus Lace, and Baby Pure Cotton by Anchor. I can buy Anchor yarns. I've not tried it myself yet though. Let's have a look at the prices. So Drops is a 25 gram ball for £4.60, so that'll set you back a bit. We've got Grace, which is £4.99 for 100 grams. I have chose not to stock that. Maybe I will. A bit, when the weather gets a bit colder again. And we've got a lace weight here from West Yorkshire Spinners Exquisite Lace, and that is 100 grams for £17.99. This one up here, this is the Anchor Pure Baby. We have 50 grams at £3.69, sorry. Eden Cottage Yarns Titus Lace is another 100 grams for £24. And we've got the by James C. Brett for £3.99 for a 100 gram ball. So this is the bit where people send in their bits and bobs and makes. And I know there's a few of you love the words bits and bobs. How can I felt my fabric? So it goes and shows you how to do the felting. What's wet felting? There you go. This shows you how to do that. And then we've got in the next issue, we've got like a tank top coming up. We've got a little jaunty neckerchief for your doggy and a pet basket, which I might make for Fluffy, you never know. We also have Coquette Collection, whatever that is. Plaid tank top, this one. Amigurumi Scarecrow, can't see that. Slavic style cushion, spring lace cowl, a pocket organisers, flamingo bag, wide neck cardigan, Zuri the zebra, and striped blanket, diamond scarf, and much more. And it comes out on the 16th of April. Missed an issue, there's your back issues. That's how to get them if you really need to. And this is the holding the hook, how to wrap it round. Teaching Granny to suck eggs pages and the conversion charts. Here's our charts and diagrams. Wow, that cushion is intricate, isn't it? But we've got them all there. And the last little bit is Happy Days, 6 Reasons to Follow Cassie of Happy Camper Cassie. If you're young, you might want to do that. They look very young in style. So that's the stitch markers we've already seen. Let's have a look at some exotic birds. So these are from exotic birds from around the world. Perfect match for your stitch markers. 4 cute patterns. Eurasian hoopoe. Why do these names defeat me? Costa Rican toucan, a Bali myna, or a bald eagle. Got a load of bald eagles around here, haven't we? I'm not talking about eagles really, but about bald heads. Okay. These are the dicky birds in question. Well, I like the toucan, have to say. This one's a bit of a, I don't know. It's and this one as well has got a few protuberances. Let's have a look close up, shall we? So toucan tango. I like it. The longest bill of any bird in the world. This colourful creature has a nose for fun. And I like that one the best out of them all. I don't know if it's because the black makes it pop or whatever, but I know I like that. This is the blue-eyed soul. The rare Bali myna. can only be spotted in high in the treetops in Indonesia or on your book. There's the how-to-dos. This is the all-American bald eagle. The majestic bald eagle serves as the United States animal mascot. A famous bird indeed. This is kind of bugging me. It's a bit of a roundish kind of protrubery beak. Looking fabulous, this flamboyantly crowned bird is well travelled. Spot it in Africa, Asia and Europe. I don't know what it is. They didn't say. What is it then? A hoopoe. Never heard of one of those. But that's the supplement. And then, of course, we've got the obligatory how to do it and the abbreviations and stuff. Need for speed. What's this? After taking quickly to amigurumi, Swedish designer Kim Bengtsson Friss dove full force into the wild world of crochet design, experimentation and self-promotion. I thought dove. Why has it got dove? It's obviously dove. She dove in. Okay, there we go. That's the supplement. Some of these words did get me today, didn't they? So there we go. What do you think of this particular Simply Crochet? Is there anything that really floats your boat or takes your fancy? I really like this. That is pretty cool. I like that. And I don't mind the waistcoat either. Not my choice of colours, mind you. This blanket, I quite liked the colours. I like the way they popped. I'm not really into amigurumi, as you know, but if I had to choose, it would be the toucan. So watch out if you order from hobbyrocks.co.uk. There could be an exotic birdie heading your way. Thank you for watching. Take care, everyone, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.